Garage door spring repair ensures the door's durability. The automatic garage door has coil-shaped springs manufactured from metal. It is present before the door opener, and facilitates smooth opening and closing mechanism of the door. With regular use, it gets faulty and requires maintenance or replacement. Thus, you need assistance from a seasoned automatic garage door repair professional to fix it. How does the door spring work? Garage door spring is simple yet critical to its seamless functioning. The spring rotates and releases force that facilitates the opening or lowering of the door. Thus, the spring's rotation enables easier maneuvering of the heavy garage door without using the manual effort. Most doors have a single spring to operate, but the weightier models have multiple springs. Spring failure leaves you stuck either inside or outside the garage. Hence it should be regularly lubricated and faulty springs should be replaced immediately. Garage door repairs in the western suburbs of Melbourne can help you with such services. Understand the signs of the failure of your garage door. With spring failure, it is impossible to lift a 100-pound door manually, and may hamper the normal routine of your life. Further, a broken spring can cause an uneven door, which may fall and injure your family or pets, and may damage the vehicle, if not parked properly. Identifying the problem before it gets too serious is the best way. Some common signs of spring problem to recognize early as prescribed by emergency garage door repair services are as follows: screeching, groaning, and squeaking, sudden falling of the door, loud banging sounds of unclear origin, lopsided door opening with one side taller, door jerking when opened, non-opening garage door. Maintain the spring for a worry-free operation before making any diagnosis on the spring-related issues. Understand other sources that may be the cause. Automatic doors have various safety features that makes maintenance simpler. Regularly lubricating the spring in every 2 to 3 months is what the professionals recommend. Lubrication removes rust and enables smooth operation. Since a well-maintained garage door ensures smooth operation, hence seeking a reliable garage door spring repair services is essential. Conclusion: even with regular maintenance and timely repairs, there is little you can do about long-term wear and tear. Damaged spring requires timely replacement, hence seeking assistance from automatic garage door repair professionals is a wise decision. They know the mechanism well and quickly fix the problem without you putting hours of labor to find out the problem area and then fix it.